So being an exterior remodeling company who's heavily focused in James Hardie siding, it's the number one thing that we do. I worked there almost 20 years. Is, a lot of people are looking at siding because they had issues, they had problems. So woodpecker damage and woodpecker nuisance is a huge problem in Kansas City. I get several calls a week because of it. A really common popular thing is a lot of builders here use cheap wood products because most people don't like to look at vinyl, and wood is just cheap, and that's what the builder wants to save money. The problem is these products aren't built to last even 20 years. So I'm getting calls from people and the paint's chipping and peeling and cracking. And they're painting every 5 to 7 years for 8 to 10 grand. So do the math of how expensive it is to keep painting your house. A lot of times though, people also have actual wood structural damage where they see holes in their wall, or they see major water issues and they need to get that fixed, okay? The other big thing though is just curb appeal. So there's plenty of times where someone buys a house and they live there for a while and they really put their stamp on the interior, but they haven't really touched the exterior. It doesn't really jive with how they live their life, what their house says about them, and they're not really proud of the curb appeal. So we have a ton of homeowners who are calling us. They know they want to live there another 15, 20 years. They're tired of painting, and they're not really proud of the way the exterior looks. And so we do all kinds of free design consultation, a lot of work around helping a homeowner fall in love with their home. And it's a huge reason why people want to have pride and ownership of their home. And whenever they sell their house, they want to make sure it's got that great curb appeal anyway.